Hello and welcome to Senior Art Strokes. I'm Angel Mercado. Since the last time we talked, since the last time I done just a talking video, I only had just a very few videos made or published. Today I have over 30, which for me is amazing. If you will know the struggles I had to go through to accomplish this, the frustrations I had to go through to accomplish this, you will understand why I think that 30 videos or more than 30 videos is because I'm doing pretty good. It's for me, it really doesn't come easy. Between my struggles with the technology and my forgetful mind, it is just slow. It's a slow process for me. So having over 30 years published, videos published, I consider to be very good. I'm reading, by the way, you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my notes because I don't want my mind to take me out of the subject here. I mentioned before, I am an artist. I've been practicing art for 30 years. I've been teaching art for about 20 years or so. So that's what I do. But I'm not a videographer. That for sure I'm not. That is why you might notice my videos not being the smoothest videos that you've seen. From one frame, from one scene to another, sometimes it's like you chopped, kind of rough around the edges. But that is the way it is today. And I have faith and it will get easier and it will get nicer, easy for you to watch. That's what I'm hoping. But as always, to me, the main point is the message. For as long as you're getting the message across, for as long as I'm helping you out to get you, for you to be have the incentive to practice and keep on going, that is all that matters to me. The rest of the stuff, is kind of like, just kind of like throwing flowers into an area. Just it'll come. It'll get easier. I have so many ideas of what I want to do with my channel, YouTube channel. As far as creating more content, I have a lot of ideas to create more content about offering some art classes or courses. Also about having some of my artwork for sale. Some of my sketches, the drawings that I do. But I know to accomplish all of that is going to take me a long time because I'm doing it on my own. I live in a 55 plus community and I'm surrounded by people who knows very little about this. And if there's somebody who likes this, I haven't met him yet. So I just pray and wish that, a youngster will come this way and say, hey, I could help you out. That would be beautiful. But it hasn't happened yet. So I'm patiently waiting and patiently still making my videos and try not to get too frustrated with this. I want to thank my wife because really she supports me a lot and she's a very patient person. She really is doing her part to help me make this possible. So thank you, wifey, for doing this for me. I really appreciate it. One thing that I really want to start doing is bringing you outdoors. It's okay to be inside on my desk, by the laptop, by my computer, doing this. But now I live here in Tampa Bay, the Tampa Bay area. Right now it's getting beautiful weather. Today it's about 70, 75, 77, somewhere around there. very low humidity, a beautiful breeze from the ocean, and just nice to be outdoors instead of being inside so much. So I'm really trying to get my gear together so I could show you my process that I do when it comes to sketch outdoors. Although I do more paintings than sketching outdoors, but I will show you the process how we can edit a busy scene. Um, so I'm hoping that is going to happen soon. That way I can take advantage of this beautiful weather and maybe take you to one of the many parks we have around here. Although most of them are still closed, we got hit by 2 different hurricanes, and it still is a big mess along the coast. In some of the parks, they suffer a lot of extensive damage. So, but they still can find, some places where we can go and sketch. Even here in the backyard would be beautiful. Um, I have really learned a lot since the last time I talked to you. As far as how to make videos, as far as how to produce them, how to edit them, how to all the way to uploading it to YouTube. I'm sure my brain is full of wrinkles right now. I'm sure they have duplicated quite a bit in this last year since I've been doing this, and that's a good thing. Keeps me engaged, keeps my mind working, so it's not going to become lazy. Or any little muscle we can keep on using is good, especially when you get to be a senior, especially when you get to be in Medicare. Any little exercise help. So that's what I'm thankful for. That at least I'm exercising my brain, keeping it, hopefully for a long time. Let's see. Um, One thing that for sure is that I'm not going to be bored for a long time because this is keeping me so busy that I don't have time to get bored. I'm always trying to be productive, so which is good because in the mornings I wake up early. I wake up between 4:30 and 5 o'clock in the morning, and I get up and I have an idea in mind, and that's what really wakes me up. That is better than coffee. uh, that is what really gets me going in the mornings. After my walk, I walk for about 4 to 5 miles every day, around 6 o'clock with a friend, and then I go back to start doing my work. So it is good because it really keeps me enthused about life, keeps me wanting to keep on trying to do this. And the more videos I publish, the more energy I get from all of this. So I think I mentioned it before to you. I'm hoping you're not here for the quality of the videos. I hope you're here for the content, because to me that is the most important thing. Content is what matters. I don't know what YouTube says about that. I have no idea. But for me, it's the message more than the look. Because I can have a beautiful video, but if the message is not there, the content is not quite there, you are not going to get a lot out of it, then what difference does it make to have a channel like the one I have? So I'm asking you, friends, just be patient with me, and it will get smoother. Also, I want to thank you, all of you who have subscribed to my channel, all of you who have sent comments to my channel, because that's encouraging. At least I know somebody might be getting some benefits from what I'm doing right now, and that is very good. And on the same token, if you have any topics that you want me to cover I haven't covered, please, in the comment, just write a little comment and mention them, and give me ideas of what you might want to see sooner than later. Because right now, the way I'm doing this is I'm thinking about when I was a beginner and I didn't know anything about sketching, I didn't know anything about painting. I started painting outdoors. That's how I started my career. Um, So I'm trying to put me in your shoes and start from the very basics. Also, in my videos, I tried not to get too into a lot of details, but rather have something easy for you to sketch, because I know you're a beginner. And also for seniors who might have a little bit of shaky hand, it might help you a lot too, because you're not going to have to be so accurate on doing something, but rather you can be loose and still come up with something you might be happy about at the end of the day. That is the objective of my channel, Senior Art Strokes. It's just to help you, to get you motivated, and to keep you motivated and keep you practicing, because the most important part of this is the practice. The more you practice, like anything else, the easier it will get, and the more you will enjoy it, and the better results you will see. So let me know if there is something you might want me to talk about, want me to demonstrate how to do. Somebody mentioned shading. Somebody mentioned composition. So I'm doing a series of compositional videos right now. I'm in the middle of that. And if you're there and you know how to do this kind of stuff, hey, get in touch with me. I appreciate it. It might be a fun project for you. And the only thing left to say is just thank you. Thank you for being patient. Thank you for overlooking all of the roughness, all of this of these videos. And I hope you are enjoying them and hope you're getting something out of them. So keep on practicing. Go back to my other tutorials that I have. And don't do just one. You watch a video. A lot of people sometimes I teach, and I teach kids also. And some kids I notice, and they do the exercise we do at the classroom, and that's the only time they do that. So you learn very little like that, because you cannot expect to be good or be happy with what you're doing, the results you're getting from doing it only one time. They asked me to, kids one time asked me, we want to draw a dragon. Well, how often do you see a dragon outside? I'm a landscape painter. I had to learn how to do it. You know how many dragons I had to sketch in order for me to be able to teach that? A lot. So it's the same thing here. For you to get better and feel better about what you're doing, it will take a lot of practice. But if you enjoy it, it's something enjoyable. Something where you don't mind spending the time doing it. At least for me, when I do this, time just flies by. Side effect is that I'm living in a world of compositions, because after 30 years, unknowingly, I'm going like this. I squint a lot. When you squint a lot, you get rid of all the details. You see nothing but shapes and values. And that is how you can start seeing sketches and paintings. So the beautiful part is, and you start seeing paintings all over you, all around you. And it's a beautiful thing. Just forget about all the ugliness that's going on today around us, all over the world. And just take a kind of like little break from all of that and enjoy what we're doing. So thank you for watching this. Thank you for subscribing, seeing some of my other videos, and I hope you are really benefiting from all of this. That's the intention. Until next time, goodbye.